Hello, I'm Ivan Goncharov, an immigration lawyer. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of accessing or correcting your personal data stored in the Schengen Information System, SIS II, if the alert was issued by Swedish authorities. Sweden grants a direct right of access. This means that individuals can submit a written request directly to the Swedish Police Authority, which manages the Swedish section of SIS II. To submit a request, write to the Swedish Police Authority, Polismyndigheten, in Stockholm. Include a copy of your national ID card or passport. The request must be signed by you personally and sent by post. There is no fee for submitting this request, and you're entitled to one free access per calendar year. The police must respond within 1 month. If you're not satisfied with the response or believe your request wasn't handled properly, you can lodge a complaint with the Datainspektionen board, Datainspektionen, which oversees compliance with Sweden's personal data protection laws. If disclosure of your data is allowed, the Swedish Police Authority will provide the relevant documents. However, under the Official Documents and Secrecy Act, certain sensitive data may be withheld. Applications can be submitted in English, as Sweden has no language restrictions for this process. If you need help drafting your request or appealing a decision, feel free to reach out for legal support. Thank you for watching.